Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Let us understand support reactions. In that, types of support. Now, basically, we have three types of reactions. One is horizontal reaction, another one is vertical reaction, and another one is moment. Horizontal reaction, vertical reaction, and moment. Now, let us move to types of support. Now consider this table. Now tell me, what about these joints? Do you find any translation or rotation? Give me answer. No. Here we don't have any translation, any rotation. These all joints are fixed for this table, as well as this beam column joint is also fixed. Right. So this type of joint is fixed joint. Yes or no? Yes. All joints are fixed. So, it gives three reactions because no translation along x, no translation along y, as well as rotation is also not allowed. So, for fixed support, we have three reactions. One is vertical, another one is horizontal, another one is moment. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, and moment. So, for fixed support, no translation along x, no translation along y, as well as rotation is also 0. Now, consider this door hinge. Right. Now, have you ever observed what about the movement of door? Door can able to rotate only. No translation along x and no translation along y. Right. So, this door hinge give two reactions. One is horizontal, another one is vertical, and no moment. Right. So for hinge support we have how many reactions? For hinge support we have two reactions. One is vertical and another one is horizontal, and rotation is allowed. Right. So no translation along x, no translation along y, and rotation is allowed. Right. Now this one is hinge support. Okay, this is the notation of hinge support. Now next, roller support. Now don't see this chair. Now see these joints. Right. What about these joints? This can able to rotate, yes or no? Yes. What about the horizontal transition? It is also there, but no vertical transition. Right. So now this roller support that can resist only and only vertical reaction. Right. So this type of support is known as roller support. Now this is the symbolic representation of roller support. It gives only one reaction, and that is vertical reaction. Okay. So for roller support, transition along x is allowed. So it is transition along x is not 0. So and for transition along y, that is restricted. Right. So no transition along y, and moment is also, rotation is also allowed. Right. So roller support have only one reaction. Now let us revise. What about the fixed support? For fixed support we have three reactions. One is horizontal, another one is vertical, and third one is moment. Fixed support can resist all three reactions. Hinge support can resist only two reactions, horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. Rotation is allowed. And for roller support we have only one reaction, and that is vertical. Okay. So hope your all queries clear. Still if you have any query, any question, please send me your mail at structural-engineering-concepts@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and